Welcome to my channel, Redline Review. Today, we're diving into a legendary piece of farming equipment that blends power, reliability, and classic styling, the Massey Ferguson MF 1800. If you're a fan of hard-working tractors and timeless design, you're going to love this deep look at one of Massey Ferguson's most respected machines. The MF 1800 is part of Massey Ferguson's 1000 series, a lineup built during the late 1970s into the 1980s, specifically designed for farmers who needed serious muscle. One thing that immediately catches your eye is the rugged and practical design. With its classic lines, heavy-duty frame, and practical control layout, the MF 1800 is a real workhorse that was built to last through decades of hard work. Powering the MF 1800 is a turbocharged diesel engine known for its durability and torque. This beast pumps out impressive horsepower, making it ideal for heavy fieldwork like plowing, disking, and hauling. Back in its prime, it wasn't just about horsepower numbers, it was about real-world, usable strength in tough conditions. Even today, many farmers rely on these tractors to handle major workloads, a testament to how well they were engineered. The MF 1800 also stands out for its heavy frame and four-wheel drive setup. This gave it better traction in muddy fields, improved pulling power, and overall greater stability on uneven terrain. Its weight distribution and articulated steering allow it to turn tighter than you might expect from a tractor of its size, giving it an edge in maneuverability compared to some of its competitors. Inside the cab, while simple by today's standards, Massey Ferguson focused on comfort and functionality. Clear sight lines, straightforward controls, and a sturdy seat mean long hours in the field were a little more manageable. These were designed by people who understood the day-to-day realities of farming, and it shows. One of the